Imagine standing on a busy construction site, tower cranes swinging above, power tools roaring and debris flying. Now picture doing all of this without any protection. Sounds dangerous, right? That's because it is. Your personal protective equipment, PPE, could be the only thing standing between you and a life-changing injury. Welcome to the OSHA Outreach Courses online training. Personal protective equipment overview for construction using and maintaining PPE. This 10-minute course is designed to give you the essential skills to use PPE correctly, keep it in top condition, and understand why it's your last line of defense against workplace hazards. Inside this short but powerful training, you'll discover how to choose PPE that fits right, not too loose, not too tight for maximum comfort and protection. The correct way to adjust and secure straps, fittings, and headbands for helmets, respirators, goggles, and hearing protection. How to clean, store, and maintain PPE so it lasts longer and works effectively. Why regular inspection is critical to spot cracks, tears, broken fittings, and worn straps before they fail. The right steps to take when PPE is damaged, including how to label it out of service so no one else uses it. On a construction site, PPE is not optional, it's your shield. A poorly fitting helmet could fly off in the wind, loose gloves could get caught in machinery, and dirty or damaged respirators could let harmful dust and chemicals reach your lungs. This course ensures you know how to avoid these risks and stay protected every single day. Gain the confidence to properly select, fit, and maintain PPE. Protect yourself from preventable injuries. Learn tips that extend the life of your protective gear, saving both money and downtime. Meet OSHA compliance standards, keeping your worksite safe and legal. Earn your certificate of completion upon passing, showing you take safety seriously. Your safety starts with you. Don't wait for an accident to remind you of the importance of PPE. Click the link in the description now, sign up for the course.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.